and to some degree that has nothing to do with the story I'm going to tell you. But the young man took complete advantage of my sister-in-law. Lying, cheating, stealing, you name it, he done it. He not only done it to her, he done it to his father. Even while he was still married to my sister-in-law, he went out about cheating and lying to other women that he was picking up and living with. And
Your
took,
mother-in-law.
what? Took advantage of my mother-in-law. She gave him money to pay the bills. All of a sudden, the electric company come to the house one day, going to shut our electric off. Well, why are you going to do that? We've been paying the bill. No, we haven't. What was discovered, he took the bills, ripped them up, and threw them underneath the house, put the money in his pocket, went out and bought drugs. So, my position was, this is a statement that I made, and I'm going to use somebody else's name, not his. If George ever walks in front of my car when I'm waiting at an intersection at a stoplight, my foot is going to slip off the brake pedal, and I'm going to put it on the gas pedal and run over him. And then one day, a lady in our Sunday school class told me that until you seek his forgiveness and forgive him, God cannot use you to the fullest that he wants to use you, because you are harboring unforgiveness in your heart. And I goes, whoa, I needed to talk to him. But that's exactly right. I was so upset about that. Okay, taking advantage of me, I can let that go. But you're not going to take care of it or take advantage of my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law. There was a hatred which does not belong in a Christian's life that was building up within me. But I could go to church on Sunday and I could sing songs, I could go to Sunday school class, I could be a leader of youth, but I still harbored unforgiveness in my heart. Now in my mind, God was still using me, but no, he really wasn't. I was going through the motions. And that's what happens with us in marriage relationships. If we don't learn to forgive our spouse, and you still want to be used to the fullest by God, then first of all, you need to seek their forgiveness, and then receive their forgiveness, and then you can go on, because now you've unloaded that burden. Unforgiveness is a burden. But sometimes we are so selfish and self-centered, we don't look at unforgiveness as being a burden. We look at unforgiveness as being just a part of life. That's not what God has chosen for us as his children. When we accepted Christ as Lord and Savior, we accepted the fact that we was going to have to forgive people. And it begins with my wife.